Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to be unboxing the new console, which is the Xbox Series X. So let's just get straight to it. And mind you, this is the second console that I've ever owned in my life. Before this, I've had the Nintendo 64, so it's been a while. So I'm just gonna remove these tape latches here. Actually, they come off pretty easy, I would say. They're thicker. They're not like, it's not like the thin tape that you use for boxes. It's more of a thicker type of tape. I'm gonna try to give you guys the full experience of what it feels like to unbox this thing, because many of you are probably wondering what it's like. So inside the box, you get this foam padding. They could have went with cardboard for environment purposes, but I'm just kidding. Let's pull this out. Okay, so I guess it opens up like that. As you can see, it looks like almost like a speaker, like a subwoofer when you first open it. And go ahead and take this out of the box and out of the wrappings. So before I just put this down on the floor, oops, almost dropped it. I'm going to show you what else comes in the box. So we've got the Game Pass, or no, my bad, that's not a Game Pass. That's a getting started guide. Just put that down. I thought that was a Game Pass. And then we have this other box right here, and inside the box you get the power cable, get an HDMI. What else do you get? Oh, you get the controller. Oh wow, that's nice. And you got two AA batteries. And that's AA batteries. I'm just gonna pop that open quickly. And they are the Duracell brand, which everybody knows Duracell, right? All famous copper tops. It has a very interesting finish on the bottom. Actually, somebody once told me, or I think I saw a review where if you zoom in, you'll see a bunch of, oh no, that's the PS, that might be the PS5 where you see the X and O's. But it has a very interesting finish. It does feel a little bit hollow in the hand. I don't know. I mean, I've used the Xbox 360 controller before. Interesting. Very interesting indeed. Now, I won't be using this controller. I'll be using a mouse and keyboard, because that's the way I like to roll. Anyway, moving on. I did get sidetracked there for a little bit. You get some paper. And what else? That's pretty much it. That comes inside the box. That's the whole unboxing experience. Now, the star of the show. Let's go ahead and remove this part. Some wrapping. Got some foam wrapping here too. Just pull that out. Oh wow, that's a beauty. I'm gonna just slide this out. And there it is. I'm not sure if that's plastic or metal. It feels more like plastic at the top. That really looks like a subwoofer, and that's quite heavy. That feels pretty solid. That's nice, wow. Get your Blu-ray drive right here. I guess it's a Blu-ray drive. The bottom part right here with some rubber grippings surrounding the bottom there. And again, that does feel quite heavy in the hand. You got all your ports there. You got the USB ports. You've got, what's that, the Ethernet port, expansion storage slot, HDMI out, as well as the power port. And I believe that's a Kensington lock. So if you wanted to lock this to your desk so that nobody would steal it, or nobody could steal it, now's a good time, because you can't really get these Series X's right now unless you search on Kijiji or eBay, or whoever's upselling them for like 800 bucks, which is ridiculous. But it is tempting, I'll be honest, to actually go ahead and sell this, since I do have a PC, which I'm using right now. But anyway, that is the Xbox. That is my quick unboxing and my overview of the Xbox Series X. And I'll try to give you guys an update on this, and we'll take it from there. But this is my second console ever that I've ever owned, and oh, that's cool. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.